Hello guys, welcome to the first video of this channel, Free Media Tools, that I launched here. So in this video guys, I will be showing you that how we can extract bulk emails from LinkedIn in Google. This will be a web scraping project and I will be showing you a tool that I deployed on my website freemediatools.com. And this tool basically helps you to extract email addresses from LinkedIn. So you can see guys, this is a query that you need to write here. If you just go to Google here, just type this query. Let me just show you. So basically guys, the query is very simple. If you want to extract email addresses, let me show you the query here. Let me first of all write it. So you will write here site colon LinkedIn dot com, the site name, and then in double quotes you will write basically the position of the what position you want to search for email addresses. Let's suppose programmer, web developer, coder as well. So let me write this as programmer, and then you need to write basically which email addresses you are searching for. You can even search Yahoo email addresses. I will be searching gmail.com. And then lastly guys, you can even search for particular locations. Let's suppose I want to search for a particular city. Let's suppose I search for here Sydney. So SYD, and Sydney basically, as you all know, it's a city in Australia. So we are searching for a niche specific email addresses, which is all the people who are living in Sydney, which has gmail.com and linkedin.com. So if I perform this search query guys, you will see guys, Google will give me 11,000 results out there, and all these addresses are real. They are real people email addresses. So now our tool comes into the picture guys. So basically in this way you need to manually go to uh, just copy this email address like this or like this. So this tool that I developed guys, let me show you. Basically the link is given in the description of the video. You can try out by going to the description of the link. I have given the tool link that I deployed on my website. So this is my freemediatools.com website. This is the channel name also, and this is a tool that I deployed guys, which automatically extract all the email addresses from the text that you submit. So what you now need to do right here, simply select all the text out there. You simply select with your mouse here, just drag down and select all the addresses that Google gives you. So automatically simply copy this and simply go to my tool and just right click and simply paste it. So as you paste it guys, there is a button out there which allows you to extract email addresses. As I click this extract email addresses, you will now see in the next text area guys, you will see basically it has extracted all the email addresses, and it is unique here. So all the basically repeating addresses are duplicate email addresses are removed, and now you can see guys, all these addresses are real that you see right here. And now what you can do, you can copy to clipboard, you can save it in an Excel file if you are basically doing research process. If you want to do marketing, that will be very important as well. So you can use these email addresses for any location. So let's suppose I search for, I change this address to Bangalore city, and here I change the profile from programmer to marketing, or I think I give as software developer. So now guys, you will see that basically again it will give you these. You just need to copy this. So you can see how easy it is. Basically it's a web scraping we are doing. We are just performing a simple search query in Google, and then we are using this tool here. Simply again paste this text right here in the text, click extract email addresses. So now you will see guys, automatically this will extract all these email addresses which are unique here. You will see that all gmail.com. So you can even basically give a company name as well here. Let's suppose we can even give a company name. So let's suppose Swiggy. Swiggy is a company name. So what it will do guys, basically all these profiles are Swiggy related. If you go to a delivery boy at Swiggy, you will see that, and you can see that senior product manager. So if you're basically looking for a specific company as well. You can even search for a company here. You will see that you can search for Zomato here. You can replace any company of your choice, niche specific company. So again, you will do the same process. Simply copy all this and go to my tool and simply paste the text here. So again, you click extract email. So it will automatically extract all the email addresses which are present in the, you will see that. So now in this tutorial, we will see how to develop this tool from scratch in JavaScript. So we will just use some regular expression and I will tell you how to do this. So if you still want the source code, the link is given in the description. You can get the source code. And now let me show you how I coded this tool here. So basically, the tool is pretty simple, guys, to code. It is not that difficult at all. So let me just start from scratch. So first of all, we are using some Bootstrap for this, for the user interface. So just include the CDN, and right here we have this container margin top 5 class, and then we have margin 4 text center, and we can give it a heading here. And after that, guys, we will have a form, and this form we will basically give it, inside this form we will have a div tag mb3. So this needs to be a class, so div mb3, and inside this, guys, we will have form label class, and inside this we will say that uh, input text. So here the user will enter the text here, whichever text that they want to, and after that we will basically have a text area. We will give it a class, bootstrap class of form control. So we will basically give it an ID of text. So ID we will give it as text here. So rows will be 9. That's all. So if you just refresh now, guys, so this is the heading, this is the text area, and after that we will have a break tag, and then we will have a simple button type button, btn primary. So we will basically say extract emails, the label of the button. So when you now click this button, guys, we will bind a on click listener to this button. So on click, so when we click this button, what we will do, we will basically say extract emails. So this function will automatically execute whenever you hit this button. And below this, we will basically, after the form, we will have a text area. ID will be emails. And also we will have a heading which will say extracted emails. So just refresh here. You will now see basically we need to give it a class of form control. So you can now see basically the interface is almost complete. So we do need to give rows to 9. That's it. So after this, guys, so this text area will be read only. So you can't manipulate the content of this text area. And after this, guys, we will have a copy to clipboard button. So we will say ID copy button, btn success, margin top 3. And when we now click this button, guys, so this function will execute, which is copy to clipboard. So here we will basically give it a text here, copy to clipboard. So you can now see interface looks exactly like this, guys. You can now see. And after this, guys, what we need to do, we will now basically write the JavaScript code, guys. So just write this JavaScript code. So this JavaScript code is slightly complicated, guys. So what I will say is that I will simply copy this. You can basically find all the source code in the description. I have given all the instructions on how to deploy this tool and how to. This is a we are using some complex regular expression, guys, to extract email addresses from the string, and after that we are having this copy to clipboard button. So essentially, if you now refresh and if I copy this text, essentially this tool is doing it is extracting the email addresses which are there from the text here. So let's suppose you have some garbage text out there. In between you have a real email address like that, and then again you have some garbage text, and then again we have some email addresses. So let's suppose we are repeating the email addresses. So geeky. So if you click extract email, so basically if I just write here like this in a new line character, sorry. So the text can be anything, but the prime functionality will be it basically extract the email addresses from the text. So it is basically using this regular expression and it is doing its job. So this is the actual thing, and you can go to my tool, guys, which is deployed on my website freemediatools.com, and you can check out my website. It contains a lot of tools out there, and every day I'm adding new quality tools on this website. So in this channel I will be starting a tutorial of series on how I develop these tools from scratch in Node.js Express and also in JavaScript. So keep watching, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it, share it with your friends, and also comment on this video if you like it. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.